Heavy riders, today I'm going to be fitting the Arton Works clock faces to the Speed Twin. I was going to do a nice unboxing video, but the kind people at Border Force have already opened it and made a total mess inside the box, so I won't be doing a nice unboxing. It was all a bit jumbled up with the case was open as well, which is not particularly good, not what you want when these are going inside your instrument clocks. So cheers Border Force. So I've got a minimal amount of mechanical knowledge, so join me as I attempt to fit them. First stage is to disconnect the battery. She pops. We'll do a clean. Remove the electrical connector of the dashboard. There we go. So that rubber cover pulls off. There's a little tab. There we go. Got it. A little tab there. 3 screws to hold the dashboard to the bracket. Of course, they're going to be star screws, aren't they? Torque screws. T20 torque screw for these. 3 of these ones to come out. Okay, all screws are out. Off she pops. Good excuse why you got the headlight off as well, to clean behind here, and also check some of these wires, make sure none are being stretched. I'm sure there's a recall on the Street Twin for cables that were not stretched, but these look all good. Okay, so you're joining me in my kitchen now, mainly because it's probably the cleanest place in my house when the clocks are open, and also I've got good lighting in here. So here goes. So we've got 10 screws to remove. 1, 2, 3, 6. So is it? Like 10 screws like this. I won't bother filming all of that. Okay, 10 screws removed. 4. So I think the case comes off now, so I'm actually going to wash my hands. So, remove the needle. Avoid damages to it in original instrument disc. Lift it up. 2 teaspoons. Pop. Oh, Something like that. Let's see if this one's any better. Oh! Didn't like that at all. Terrified of causing expensive damage. So, step 5. Step 6, remove the discs. Okay, you can feel the sticky back on it. Rotate. There you go, there's like a lip on it. This is the guts of the clocks. So, the spacers here come in like so. Now, step 7, exciting part. That's the trouble, any kind of dust that gets on these now, you ain't getting it back out unless you got it all again. Alright, align the discs. Postman's here, I take it. Okay, these seem to be in correctly. So, gently put back the needles, only a few millimeters, without pushing down completely. Rotate the pointer counter clockwise till it is aligned with the initial point of the graphics. Both on 0. At this stage you can press down the needle towards the discs. Okay, everything's pressed down, everything seems lined up. Ready for reassembly. I'm going to fiddle about getting the dust rain cover back in. All because I didn't know which way to take the bloody thing out. Don't make my mistake. Spin them over and pull the top of the clocks off first. And put it off gently so you don't disturb this seal. It's not too bad to get back in, but it's a job I could do without. There we go. Alright. Oh, looks good. Try and get it as dust free as possible. Just going to give that a little wipe over with a microfiber cloth inside. Sure there's no fingerprints or anything. Okay, go for it. Okay. Here we go. Reverse. I won't bother boring you with this, it's just a few screws. Okay, so now well and truly screwed. Let's fit it back on. Stand on. Connect the back in there. Cover back on. I'll make sure it's done properly. First things first. Get that battery connected again and test it out. Okay, the moment is true for me. Well, they're circled. Looks nice. Well, this is fiddly. Lining this up is quite tricky. I'll tell you what, it's proven fiddlier to fit this than it was the Arton Works clock faces. Fiddlier than a Tory's tax returns. Now, there's an hand bolt in there. Tighten the headlight up. We're done. What does it go in there now? Whew, finally. The end result. Well, you're joining me on my first ride with the Arton Works clock faces. And I'm pleased to report that my clocks still work and I haven't completely screwed it up, which would have been very costly. So what did the clocks look like in practice on the road? They look very nice, much cleaner. The only thing I have noticed is that the idiot lights are not as bright, but obviously that's a compromise to be expected. You'll probably see them better in the dark, but apart from that, the faces look much less busy than the original ones. And they just look classic, don't they? Opened ways up, and I'm going to check the accuracy of the speedo. From behind me, so 30 miles an hour. Showing 28, so pretty much as before. So yeah, yes, the speedo is still as accurate as before. So about 2 miles per hour out. Oh, I love this bike. I was a bit worried with the power commander and quick shifter being fitted. I was just a little bit worried about unplugging the battery and if it anything would throw wobbly. But no, everything seems perfectly fine. That was a crap gear change, Bruce. So yeah, I mean, I've yet to try them in the dark. But in the light, they get a thumbs up from me. I do like the Arton Works logo inside the clocks as well. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it looks very classy. Just makes the whole clocks look a lot classier, to be honest. Yeah, the main issue with them compared to the standard ones is you can't see, you can hardly see any of the digit lights, to be honest. You can, when that's the indicator going, you can just about see it. So that's one thing to be aware of, and you have to be on your game when it comes to cancelling your indicators. You can barely see the warning light on the dash. So how would I rate the difficulty of fitting the Arton Works clock faces state in the end? As I mentioned before, I'm not exactly a mechanic. I mean, I used to do all the basic servicing on my Tiger 800, so I've got vague knowledge, but that's about it. But electrical stuff terrifies me. No, this isn't really electrical, it's more but anyway, I digress. So in terms of consider myself a basic mechanic plus, let's say. I was a bit worried about doing it, I have to say. Yeah, I was a little bit worried. But it turns out it wasn't that bad. I mean, it is nerve-wracking more than anything, because you are messing about with something that if you bugger up will cost you a lot of money to put right. But no, it's I wouldn't even say it was that fiddly, to be honest. Even putting the needles out, it's well, I suppose you have to be careful because it's delicate stuff in there, but I mean, the needles jumped out and fell on the floor, but everything's still working fine. So as long as you follow the instructions and make sure you pull the clock faces off upwards so as not to disturb that dust seal, then yeah, you'll be fine, honestly. Even if said, even the basic mechanic, I managed to do it just fine. So yeah, don't be too scared of attempting it yourself, but at the same time, if it does scare you, then it won't cost much to get it done in a shop. Take it to an independent dealer. It took me, as someone who didn't know what they were doing, about an hour and a half. Someone with a little bit of knowledge will knock that up in half an hour at the most. So yeah, that's it for this one. Very happy with the results. Cheers for watching, guys. I'll speak to you on the next one. Over and out. Can't go by the Benefield S's without filming.